Are you looking for a way to hide posts from certain friends on Facebook? In this video, I will show you how to hide posts from friends on Facebook without blocking or unfriending anyone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to see how easy it is to customize your privacy settings and protect yourself from unwanted attention. To get started, let's open up the Facebook mobile application, and then, for the purpose of this video, let's create a quick little post by tapping on "What's on your mind?" Once you have created your Facebook post, tap here to choose who can see your post. So in order to completely hide your post from everyone, you can select the Only Me option over here. If you want to hide your post from certain friends, tap Friends Accept. And then go ahead and select the friends from whom you want to hide your post. Once you've selected them, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. Once more, press the Done button. And now all you have to do next is post this, and it will show up in all of your friends' feeds except for the ones that you selected. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.